it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, of course, as you can tell by the title, I have my monthly IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you gals like to call this video, and of course it's February. I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. You know, this is one of my favorites to film. I am just, like, IPSY and I go way back, and it's crazy to me that, like, now I'm on their PR list, where every single month I get to share with you the IPSY Glam Bag subscription and Glam Bag Plus all in one video. And like I said, IPSY and I go way back. Like, IPSY was the very first beauty subscription that I ever subscribed to, and I've been subscribed to ever since. And little teenager me never thought that one day I'd be receiving IPSY as PR to get to share with you, and so it's just a very full circle moment. So full disclaimer, I did receive this from IPSY to share with you, but of course all opinions are honest and my own no matter what. So let's go ahead and get into my IPSY video for the month of February. And if you're new, IPSY is, the Glam Bag subscription is $13 per month, and the Glam Bag Plus subscription is $28 per month. And the IPSY Glam Bag subscription is deluxe size samples and occasional full-size products. And then the Glam Bag Plus is all full-size products no matter what. So that's a little background. If you're new to IPSY, I'll have a link down in the description box below if you're interested in subscribing. And I'll also have all the products linked individually down below if there's a specific product that catches your interest. This is the Glam Bag for the month of February. It's just a classic, like, Valentine's Day themed bag, of course. I would expect nothing less. Even the zipper is like a little heart shape, and it's just a classic red and pink. So I would expect nothing less for February. I figured it would be Valentine's Day themed, and this month's theme is full heart. The first product that I pulled out of my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of February is by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is a deluxe size sample of their Roller Lash mascara. I love Benefit Cosmetics. You gals know this is one of my favorite makeup brands. Their products are really, really great, and the packaging is just unmatched. Like, I have yet to find a brand that I love their packaging more than Benefit. It just fits my aesthetic. I can't describe it. Their packaging is just great. I have tried their Roller Lash mascara in the past, and I really do like it. The only thing is, it's so great that it's so hard to get off. It takes a really long time to get off, but it is a great mascara. I absolutely love it. So if you, this is what the packaging of the deluxe size sample looks like. The full size of their Roller Lash mascara, the packaging is a little bit different than the deluxe size sample, but it's still really, really cute. And I do love this mascara, and you just can't go wrong with a good mascara sample. They are perfect for travel. The next product that I received in my Glam Bag this month is by MAC. I can't remember if I ever received a product from MAC in my IPSY bag. I'm genuinely trying to think. I don't think I have. So this is the first. This is their Fix Plus, and this is like OG MAC product. I never got really super into MAC. I know, like, the OG YouTube days, like, that's what every beauty guru used was MAC. But even then, like, I just never really used MAC. I could never afford MAC. I do have a couple of their lipsticks. I don't love the formula, but I don't hate it either. I don't have a lot of their products. I just have a couple lipsticks, but what I have tried, I liked. But this is one of their classic products, so that's pretty incredible that this is in my IPSY bag. To be honest, I feel like nobody uses MAC makeup anymore. So if you're like an actual makeup artist, can you let me know if anyone actually uses MAC anymore? I'm just curious as how they're staying afloat, because I never hear of anyone using them. But this is what it looks like. I love that this is a travel size because it is so hard to find. Primer, I think, yeah, this is like a Fix Plus primer. I think it's supposed to be a primer. It's so hard to find products like this in a travel size, and they're just really difficult products to travel with. So I love that, like, of all products, like, this MAC product is travel size. I really, really love that. So I'm excited to try this again because it's one of their, like, all-time most popular products. This next product that I tried to, like, half open it, it's by the brand Context. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know anything about this brand, but it looks like it's a lipstick, and this is in the shade 115 Hide Your Heart. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, I love the shade. I think I might have to put that on right now. Although I really do like this lip. Don't want it to be too red. I'm gonna put it on. I love this lip color. I've been looking for a shade like this too. Like a new shade like this. I think this is gonna be a go-to for me, and you're gonna see me wear this a lot. I really like it. My lip colors usually look different on camera, like once I edit this video, like color correct it and everything, but I'll put a little caption here if once I edit the video, if it looks the same like when I edit, or if it looks different, if it's like true to color on camera. But from what I see so far, I really love. And this is a full size, so you can't go wrong with that. The next product that I received in my IPSY bag, I'm really bummed about. This is by the brand Gold Fade-In MD, and I think that's how you say it. It's the Solution Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. I don't love this brand. I don't use any products from this brand. I just don't love the ingredients that they use. So I'll be passing this along to someone who will utilize it more than I do, but it's just really not my favorite skincare brand. Therefore, there's really not much more to say about it than that. And I feel like that's just like very negative of me to just kind of like that's all about it, but I just really don't have much else to say about it because I'm just not a fan. But that's just me. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bad product. I just don't love it for me. The last product that is in my February 2022 IPSY Glam Bag, I've never heard of this brand or this product like at all. It looks like it's by the brand The Removalist, and this is a detoxifying clay mask for complete clean out. So it's just a detoxifying mask made in Australia by the brand The Removalist. O2 or something. I don't know. Here it is. Here's what the packaging looks like. I don't really use clay masks, so I'll probably pass this along. I do want to look more into this brand. I've never ever heard of it, never heard anybody talk about it, anything like that, but it looks like a very nice size product. So that's everything in my IPSY Glam Bag for February 2022. I really love my IPSY bag this month. So many great products, and I really do love them and can't wait to use them more. And I need to look into this lipstick because I love the formula. I've never felt a formula like this before. It's really hard to describe, but it just feels so nice on my lips. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing lipstick, but it's also super pigmented, so highly recommend. Next we have IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and this is what the bag looks like for this month. So just like the Glam Bag, that was red and pink, and this bag is pink with red hearts. So super cute, but the products never actually go in this bag. But let's go ahead and get into the products now. And Glam Bag Plus is $28 per month, and you're guaranteed over $100 worth of products, and they're all full-size products no matter what. Every single product is full. The first product that I have here looks like French or something. I have no idea how to say this brand name by Biro, but then it has like this symbol thing right here. I don't know, New York, and it's the Fig Renewing Oil. So many questions right now roaming through my head about lots of things. Ooh, whoa, okay, this is pretty. Okay, so I don't know if I would actually use a product like the ingredients list is way too long for me, but this would be really pretty on my vanity. But I'm not just gonna save the product to keep it on my vanity. I'll save it for someone who will utilize it more than I will. But I can't wait to look up the value of this product because I am sure that it is a pretty penny. So that will be interesting to see how much this product is. Next product, I really had to like look into what it was. It's by the brand Beauty For Real, and I'm not going to open it because once I did figure out what they were, I'm like, oh, I'm not going to use these. But there are two sets of gel liners, and so it looks like we have a classic black in the shade Night Fever, and then this one, it looks like it's like a white or like a nude eyeliner. So it's a nice pack of two gel liners. They look like really nice liners, so if that is a product that you use, these look like they would be great. I feel like we're flying through the Glam Bag Plus, but there's not like a lot of products to swatch or really much to say about them because, as you guys know, like the Glam Bag Plus tends to be more skincare based, but The next product here is by Yenza, and this is the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream with 8 Power Pink Essence. This looks so nice, and I actually am going to try this. I've heard great things about Yenza, and I actually got a few things when I went to IPSY Live in New York in 2019, and they have just some really great products, so I really liked what I've tried so far, and I love the size of this product. Like, it's not too overwhelming in the sense that it's like so much product that I won't use it in like a decent amount of time, but it's not too little either, and of course it's full size. So I'm trying to see just if there's, oh, and another thing that I really love about Yenza is it has no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no phthalates, and they're cruelty free. So lots of great things about Yenza, and I'm excited. This product, I was so excited that I received the Persephone palette. So it's by the brand, I don't know how to say it, so I'm gonna just put it here, but I received a mascara from them last month in January, and I really liked it. So apparently they have more products. They have an eyeshadow palette, and of course this is full size. It's a huge palette. I have not received an eyeshadow palette in an IPSY bag, or like a Glam Bag Plus, in what feels like a while, so I'm excited. Ooh. Okay, so here's what the palette looks like. The packaging is like not my style. It's very dark, but I'm like shook right now, you guys. I have never seen a palette like this. We're gonna get some B-roll on this. Don't you worry. Look at how unique these shades are. And so they're alphabetized. So we have A, B. They're like really weird alphabets. I don't know, but oh my gosh, this middle one in the third row. Oh my gosh, I have to swatch that one. Oh, this is so hard to see. I'll see if I can insert pictures of some better swatches, but there is so many colors in this swatch right now. I need to do a makeup tutorial with palette or something. Oh my gosh, I wonder if like they have some kind of like collection inspired by this or something. Neutrals and reds and oranges, but like they're unique. I can't describe it. Like, you just have to see the palette in person. When you look at it on camera, I feel like it just looks like your average warm tone palette, but like those bottom two rows especially, like, oh my gosh. This is an amazing palette. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I'm like barely wearing any eyeshadow tonight just because I've been doing homework, but I needed to film this video, so real life over here on FunsizedStyle. But more makeup tutorials are coming soon. I've been so focused on my health that like makeup videos have kind of taken a back burner, but I miss doing them so much. So, oh my gosh, this palette. Definitely going to link this down below. I feel like so many eyeshadow palettes lately that are coming out are like the same, but this one is so unique. You need to add this to your list to try. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then the last product that I have in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is by the brand Froma Beauty, and this is just a nice little brush set. I have received brushes from Froma before, and their brush qualities are really great. These brushes are unique though because they are like specialty brushes in the fact that they're just really narrow, like for very precise eyeshadow application in like certain areas. So we have like, oh, this is so hard to see. So I'll try to include some B-roll, but they're all individually wrapped, but they're very narrow, but you'll be seeing like B-roll and pictures and whatnot, but basic, but they're really great quality. Like I said, Froma brushes are really great quality, so you just can't go wrong, and I'm excited to try this, and maybe these will help me with that palette as well that I love so much. So that was great that they included this in this month's Glam Bag Plus along with the eyeshadow palette. So that's everything that was in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of February 2022, and that's everything in my IPSY and Glam Bag Plus video for this month. I am really excited about both of my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month. For the past few months, I've been actually mainly excited for my Glam Bag instead of my Glam Bag Plus, but both of them I feel like are equally good this month. Lots of unique products from new brands and some favorite brands, and it was just a very well-rounded IPSY for me, and very well-rounded, very like good quality products, and so I highly recommend you gals check these products out. This month I'll have them linked down below, and there's just so many that I'm excited about, so expect more makeup videos soon. I hope you gals enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.